It's time to crack open those books again, and what better place to do that than the future side of the Library Commons? Let's find out about this project and more in Around Mount Vernon. You're invited to the Mount Vernon Library Commons Groundbreaking, September 17th. After a competitive bidding process, City Council awarded the job to Light Aid Construction. Work will begin this fall and is expected to last 14 months, meaning completion December 2023. Before the groundbreaking, project staff will be holding public meetings with local downtown stakeholders to answer questions about construction logistics and timelines. Come to the groundbreaking and show your support for this innovative community project. Federal FEMA representatives came to visit last month and to learn about significant community resilience projects in our region. We showed off our flood wall, which is allowing for new investment in private and public development in our downtown core, and the Mount Vernon Library Commons. We hope that this will lead to more grant opportunities in the future. Work begins on Fire Station 3 renovations. Station 3 will be getting a new apparatus bay, office space for fire crews, adequate living spaces, and an improved training and community room. This will help fulfill current and future needs, as identified in a 2018 Needs Assessment Study. The library's second mini masterpiece art show has begun, and this year's theme is Patron Portraits. Pick up your free art kit at the library and paint a portrait of yourself. Pet, imaginary friend, favorite celebrity, anyone as long as it has a face. Then bring it to the library for display the entire month of September. You can vote on your favorite, and prize winners will be announced September 30th. And finally, the city's fall and winter activity guide is here. Look for your copy in the mail or check out the park's website to discover activities and volunteer opportunities for the whole family. That's it for this month. Subscribe to stay connected to what's going on around Mount Vernon.